Hello guys, so we are going to be going further in today's tutorial, and without further ado, let's move ahead. So in today's tutorial, what we're going to go further and learn more about headers. So we're going to reuse this same file from before. So there are headers of 6 kinds, with header 1 being the most important one and header 6 being the least important one, and they are uh, you'll be able to see the differences in size. The most important one is larger and the least important ones are smaller, so you'll just see. So let's just write that h1 is already written, so we're going to go with h2. Second header, we're just gonna write header, and then furthermore we'll get it for header 3, another header, and then another one is header 4, another one is h5, and another one is h6. Alright, sorry for that. Now after building all these headers, I'm just gonna click save. Let's do a live. Alright, so you can see here the header from header 1, header 2. This is the header 1. So let's also rename it to header. Save it. Header, 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 header. So you have here 6 type of headers, and you can see the differences in their size. And we have already spoken in the previous video about paragraphs. I'm not gonna touch that again. Now, about the links, right? Let's say I want to make this website, this part be clickable, and I want it to lead to google.com. How am I going to do that? So we're gonna wrap this tag with an anchor tag, and the tag is written like this: A. So it starts with an A, ends with an A, and inside the anchor, the first opening tag, we're going to be writing href. So this refers to the link's destination. And within these quotation marks, we'll write out the website. So I'll just write a HTTPS. Or instead of Google, we're just going to write here yahoo.com. And I've saved it. Yep. So we click on this, and it is going to redirect us to yahoo.com, and there we go. I click back, and I hope you get the gist of it. So you have to edit out the href anchor tag, and that's about it. So there's another element, it's known as images. How do we add images on our website? Okay, so we use the img tag. I'm gonna show you img, and it's like a single line of code. There's no opening or closing tag in this, basically. So you just write img, and then here we write a source, and the source. So I've already went ahead and added an image inside images folder. So we're gonna be using this file, this image. We're gonna write out images, and that's the image. Control save, and there we go. Currently we are able to see the image's size, image in its full size. Now let's say I wanted to adjust the size of it. I can use the height. We'll write height equal, and within the quotation marks we're gonna write the value. I guess it's in pixels, so I'll just write height should be about 60. Save it. Now that's very small. Let's just make it 200. Okay. And if you want, we can also edit out the width. I don't think there's gonna constrain ratio properly. So let's see what happens. Okay, if I just write out 350, it's just gonna stretch it out. So I think it's 300. Yeah, so height 200, width 300, and there we go. That's how you edit out the sizes. Can we like view how this code is written? So let's say you go on a website and you want to see, you just go here and click inspect the certain text in Mozilla Firefox. Then you can see that whatever the code has written and how it's being displayed. So you can see here, href yahoo.com, and then you can click this and see within it is hello world tag, so it's wrapped up in an anchor tag. There's this image and all the values. So you can just right click. I would say that you try to inspect elements to learn more about it. Fun fact, a lot of so-called gurus online, they just edit out their bank account balances by just right clicking. Like let's say they'll just go here, click inspect, and then they'll just edit this out to say, let's say if it was showing $19, right? They'll just do it like this, and then just press enter, not need to save. And then on their website, it's just gonna show like this. And then they take a screenshot that, or a video with the URL intact and everything. It's just all bogus. They use this trick. It's very stupid. Anyways, you refresh it. There you go. The edited code will be gone. Now, I hope this video is helpful, and we learned about the header tags and more about anchor tag, and we learned also about the image tag. Now, in the next video, hopefully, we'll learn more about the other uh, what you call tags, or more about HTML. So I hope this does it for today, and I'm signing off. Take care. Bye bye.